Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can integrate your Google Drive account with your Notion account really quickly. So if you're curious to learn more, make sure to drop a like and now let us get started. Now doing this is actually super simple, guys. You can connect your Google Drive with your Notion account by simply heading over to your Notion workspace here in the top left corner and by selecting settings on the left panel, just like that. And here inside your account settings, head over to connections here. So I can do that really quickly. And as you can see, I haven't connected my Notion account with Google Drive yet. So you may do that too, guys, by simply clicking on connect here. If you don't see Google Drive here, simply click on see all here and you should see it listed somewhere here. You see all of these integrations and connections like Slack or Jira, Figma, and so on and so forth. So let me go with Google Drive, click on connect here. After that, Google will ask you for permission to link your Google account with your Notion account. So let me select my Google account really quickly that is associated with my current Gmail account here. So click on continue here to proceed. After that, give Notion all the permissions needed by clicking on continue here again. And that's basically all to it. Wait for the linking process to be finished. And as you can see now, your Google Drive or my Google Drive account has been connected with my Notion account. And that's how it works in practice. You may, for example, see the access or the visibility here, like the permissions can preview links. You may also click on these three dots here to disconnect your account with Google Drive. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.